Hi everyone, so as you know, it is fall season, so I'm keeping up the vibe with more pumpkin. Today, we're going to be making a pumpkin mug cake. I put chocolate chips on mine. Anyways, this recipe is super easy, and I love mug cakes because they're so good and so easy to make. Okay, let's get started. So first, we're going to mix together the dry ingredients first, which is some flour, brown sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, and some nutmeg. I'm going to get my fork and we're going to mix it all up. Oh, and just a reminder for you new subscribers, the recipe is in the description box below if you want to follow along or make it at home. Now for our wet ingredients, which is some milk, oil, and our main ingredient, pumpkin puree. Time to mix again with my fork. I'm going to scrape down the sides to make sure everything's fully mixed. You can totally leave this plain or add any nuts, but I'm going to add some chocolate chips because why not? I'm going to smooth it out, sprinkle on some more chocolate, and time to go in the microwave. Alright, we gotta give it a little taste. Yes, pumpkin mug cakes are like one of my favorite mug cakes ever. Great. See you guys next time.